Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa maguta ma betro KELLO makiria ma honge 11,000 cia thirikari hamwe nacio ari njera ikoretwo ikihuthira ngo kuruga ndeto iria ikoretwo ikihotomia kiroto gia bururi kugia na miti miingi.
What will be the benefits? Number one, correctional services will be going out to the world to prove to them that we are serious about supporting His Excellency the President in the Greening Kenya initiative. We are not growing trees and then cutting them by using wood fuel. Number two, we will be in the forefront of combating climate change. Correctional services will be in the forefront of combating climate change. Additionally, we'll be showing that we are trying to bring back the dignity of the prisoners using in compliance with the UN minimum standards on human treatment of inmates.
Harsama tarĩirie na kuga rũhonge rũrũ rwĩna mũbango wa gũtigĩrĩra kwambĩrĩria mwaka ũkĩte gĩcunjĩ kĩa 75 harĩ 100 kĩa Kenya nĩ marahũthĩra gas.
So that we are not using wood fuel, which we know and we have a very, very huge budget to cater for medical expenses for respiratory diseases, eye diseases, skin diseases, which are associated with the use of wood fuel. We will contain that. And the savings we will make, because we are already making a lot of savings, we can use that to put solar power. And as my brother has said, PS has said, we will be going to them to seek for subsidized gas, just like in the affordable housing space, so that we make even more savings.
Mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa njera SALOME BEACCO igite njera cia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ikoretwo ikihuthira muigana wa tani 64,000 na uguo mũbango ũyũ nĩ ũkũmateithia na gĩkĩro kinene.
Wood fuel is very expensive, so we'll be making savings on wood fuel. Number two, savings in terms of use of medical expenses. Number three, savings in terms of the fuel expenses and the petrol expenses associated to going to get that wood fuel.
Njera ya Nairobi, thukuru wa guthomithia maabitha a njera wa Ruiru na wabici cia kurora oho wa kioho kia nja Nairobi nicio igukorwo cia mbere kugunĩka na mũbango ũyũ na thutha ũcio tamburũkio kũndũ ngũrani.
We have inspected their kitchens. We have agreed with them that they are able now to use LPG to replace firewood, which has been very costly, which has been very inconvenient here. And the State Department of Petroleum and the State Department of Correctional Services, the PS is here, are going to work together to ensure that these LPGs are installed.
Ruhonge rũrũ rwĩna mũbango wa gũthundũra na gũthondeka mahinya mangĩ ta biogas, solar na mariko ma kĩrĩu ma kũruga rĩrĩ meranĩire kũnyitanĩra mĩhang'o-inĩ ya ũhandi wa mĩtĩ. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawĩra.